Jump rope is a game of fun for children. Not only for children, it is also a game of fun for adults also. Apart from that, jump rope is a good source of exercise and it provides a lot of health. Let us discuss about the use of jump rope and how it is used in reducing weight. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Natural Cosmos. Jump rope is a good source of cardiac exercise. It is useful in reducing weight in many ways. This is because when you jump rope, it affects all your body parts. For example, your feet, your ankle, your stomach, your lungs, and even your face also. Apart from that, it is also useful in reducing knee pains, leg pains, and even reduce the scientists also can experience by jump rope. Also, jump rope is helpful in breathing. Many people do not know that. If you regularly do jump rope for half an hour daily, it is equivalent to doing pranayama. Whatever the benefits you get by doing pranayama, you can also have the same benefits by doing jump rope if you regularly practice that. I myself is a witness for it. Earlier I was suffering from breathing problem. If I run for 1 kilometer, I use it to gasp a lot. But now after doing jumping rope, now I can run for 5 kilometers without any problem. So that is the use of doing jumping rope. Even if you do jump rope also, you can reduce your blood pressure. About 5 to 8 mmHg of blood pressure can be reduced if you do jump rope for half an hour daily. Jump rope is quite better than running. This is because if you run, it is useful only for your legs. But if you jump rope, it is useful for the entire body. So if you want to reduce weight quickly, you can use jump rope. And also, if you run for 5 kilometers, you will burn 400 kilocalories of energy. Whereas if you jump rope for 20 minutes, you can burn the same amount of calories as well. So even if you want to reduce weight in a lesser time, you can use jump rope. Apart from this, you can also build your hand muscles, leg muscles by using jump rope. Let us check how to jump with a jumping rope. Take a jump rope which is not too long or too short. The ideal length of a jumping rope should be 8 feet long. If you got expertise, you can reduce it to even 7 feet. This is a jumping rope with 7 feet. Now let us jump. As a beginner, you can start with 40 to 50 jumps per minute. So if you get expertise, you can increase the number of jumps as well. So again, after each minute of jumping, you can take a break of 1 minute. And again you can start jumping. For example, if you do jumping 40 to 50 times in a minute, you can stop there and you can take a break for 1 minute and again you can jump. So after getting expertise, you can also reduce the break time to 30 seconds. So in this way, you can reduce your weight. So the number of repetitions you can do upon your convenience. How many number of repetitions you can do like that. So this is a good way to reduce weight. So please try to increase the number of jumps and reducing the break time and increasing the number of reps as well, so that it can be useful to reduce weight in a lesser time. So there are some don'ts which you have to follow while jumping. The number one thing is that you should not jump too high. Some people, they will jump too high annoyingly, but you should not do that. The second thing is that you should stretch your legs. You should keep your legs straight. You should not fold your legs. Some people, they will fold their legs automatically because for the convenience of jumping, it will become easy for them to jump. They won't do it intentionally, but unknowingly they will do that. But you have to keep a track on your legs also, and you should keep them straight while jumping. Then only you will get the full benefits. The third thing is that you should not stretch your hands while jumping. You should not keep your jumping rope with your hands stretched. You should keep your hands to your adjacent to the body level, actually, like this. Like this, you have to hold the jumping rope and you have to jump. So these three things you have to take care while jumping. So if you follow all these things, you can definitely reduce the weight, and jumping rope is as I said earlier, it's a good source of exercise. So with jumping rope, you can reduce a weight within less time. Even people who run also, they can spend at least 10 minutes of their time in jumping rope, so that it will be helpful. And please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like the video. Also click on the bell icon so that you will get notification upon my video uploads immediately. This is Kiran signing off until we meet again.